Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, the channel that shows you how to fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the water inlet valve on a Beko washing machine. If your washing machine is not filling up with water, it's most likely due to a water inlet valve that's faulty. However, it's worth initially checking that your water supply is fine first, followed by ensuring that your water inlet hose is not blocked or damaged in any way. If these are fine, it's time to replace your water inlet valve, so let's watch on to learn how to do it. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell or leave us a like too. This can help us make more and more videos for appliance fixing for you. And you never know when you're going to need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments how you got on with the repair. For this repair, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a PH1 Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and a towel. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Firstly, let's remove the top panel by using your Torx T20 screwdriver to remove the two screws at the top. With the screws now removed, you can go ahead, lift the top panel and place it to one side. Now change your screw head to the PH1 Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw at the back of the panel next to your water inlet valve. Now it's time to remove the valve from out of the cabinet by twisting the valve anti-clockwise as you stand at the rear of the appliance. Pull it through, into and out of the top of the cabinet. Now you need to remove the three electrical connections from off the water inlet valve. Make a note or take a photo of where each colour connection is located so that you can fit them correctly later on. Push the small tabs down and pull the connections out. It's a good idea to place a towel underneath the valve inside the top of the machine just to catch any excess water. Now proceed to remove the two retaining clips from off the hoses into the valve with your pliers. Now pull the hoses off from the valve. Now it's time for you to buy your new water inlet valve, but before buying it, you need to know your model number for your washing machine. This is so that you can get the correct part for your make and model washing machine. Now, if you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, don't worry. Check out our video on finding your washing machine's model number here. Now it's time to fit your new water inlet valve by attaching the hoses, and using your pliers, push the retaining clips back up towards the valve to keep them firmly in place. You can now remove the towel as this is no longer needed. And it's time to refit the three electrical connections to the water inlet valve. Please see your notes or your photos to ensure that you connect them in the correct places. Now place the valve inside the cabinet's rear panel and turn it clockwise when standing at the rear of the machine. This will secure it into place. Now to fully secure your new valve in place, refit the screw with your PH1 Phillips screwdriver. To put your top panel back on, place it in and under, lift it slightly up and then place it down. Finally, refit your two screws at the top with your Torx T20 screwdriver to secure them in place. And there you have it, how to replace a water inlet valve on a Beko washing machine. This should have solved why your Beko washing machine won't fill with water, and hopefully your appliance is working as it was before. Now that you've solved this problem, why not learn about how you can save energy using your washing machine to help you get the best from it and help save money? Check out our video down here on washing machine energy saving tips to get you in the know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our eSpares channel and like the video if it helped you. Thanks for watching.